Good afternoon, investors and corporate. Welcome to SET Digital Roadshow 2021 Year-End Performance Review. This session will run about 45 minutes, including Q&A. During Q&A, investor may leave your questions in the meeting room chat box or use your raise hand function. Then we will open your microphone so you can ask the question to the company directly. May I now invite RS Public Company Limited to start the presentation, please.
Thanks for joining our session for RS Public Company SET Digital Roadshow today. I am Wacharapong, Head of Investor Relations, and today we also have Kun Witthawat, our CFO, to present with us and for Q&A. Today we have such a long agenda, but we have only around 45 minutes. So if you need any more detail, you can contact us directly to request for a one-on-one meeting. Today we will start a bit with brief business overview and then business performance for 2021. And one of key highlights that is a business strategy, how will we grow in 2022. And the last part on our latest investment in July. The first part, may I introduce our business model a bit, as we had convert our business model from entertainment into entertainment with a key revenue contributor from commerce over 63% right now. Our entertainment still contribute around 37% and is a key storyteller to lead to the revenue in the commerce business. For the first part, the year, a challenging year in review for 2021 is a year for us to invest and expanding. We had been success in field M&A in the previous year to expand our group ecosystem. Shade that is asset management company focusing in NPL, non-performing loan, as well as ULife, that is multi-level marketing company that will help us to expand our commerce business platform. We also rebrand and revamp 4 brands, Value, Kamusi, Vita Nature, and LifeMate. We'll talk about that later. And Popcoin that we launched this year, early this year, will be a key marketing platform to grow both commercial business and entertainment business over the long term. With weak consumer sentiment and COVID impact, that affect our total revenue to decline 5%. Revenue from existing product got impact from weak consumer spending and interruption from on telesale operation due to the COVID measures. Our new product not achieve its target due to the convenience store channel that got a COVID impact. Entertainment business got decline from the shrinking advertising spending and marketing. However, together with the higher marketing cost, that led to a 76% decline in NPAT. However, year 2021 will be a year for us to harvest what we had invest in 2021. Okay. So for the financial position, we remain got a solid and healthy balance sheet. Previous year, our asset increased 28%, mainly from the investment in M&A that is shared, and liability increased on the same rate from the short-term and long-term loan to funding those M&A. By the end of the year, DE ratio increased to 1.7 times from higher bank borrowing, but it expect to remain around 2.4 level by the end of Q2 this year from the new investment in Specialty and ULife. However, this DE ratio remain under that covenant of 2.5 times. For business strategy in 2022, we expect our revenue with target of 5.1 billion. For our commerce business, we expect it to grow around 20% to 2.7 billion. This will come from the new product that we will talk about it later, as well as the new channel that we expand. For the media and entertainment, entertainment, we expect this to grow over 50%, mainly from the new business, that is Popcoin, smart marketing platform, and online media that we had been launched by during the end of the previous year. So this will be the full year effect for Popcoin and concert and event that this revenue disappeared during in the previous 2 years. So this will add up another 300 million baht. For digital TV, for the media, TV and radio, it will grow along with the rebound at spending. So we expect around 1.4 or around 40% growth in this area. For the music, it will grow from the new digital OTT platform. So for the key strategy this year, we expect it to be a big jump. So we call it LEAP, LEAP. For L, we'll be focusing on for the commerce business. For E, it will be entertainment business. A is how we will utilize and monetize our assets. And the last one, Popcoin smart marketing platform to help and grow other business across the RS group. For L, the first subsidiary is on RS Mall. RS Mall will be focusing on health and beauty product, and we will focus to expand the contribution from RS group health and wellness product that contribute higher gross profit margin. We expect the revenue from lifestyle over 50% for this year. And with Popcoin, you will see that Popcoin will be a key tool that we will utilize it across the RS group in every business unit. For RS Mall, Popcoin will use to provide benefit for the customer. For example, with the RS Mall Plus, that is the CRM program that you can convert the point into the Popcoin. For lifestyle, as we mentioned, that we had rebrand it, reshuffle it into 4 brands, where you will be focusing on scientific health and wellness product. For example, with the ingredients from science 80%. For Vita Nature, we will be focusing on herbal or the ingredients from nature 70%. Kamusi to focus on the functional drink, and Life Made will be on pet product. Not only the new product that we will introduce 28 more SKU this year, we will expand beyond the RS Mall to traditional trade, modern trade, especially the convenience store in 7-Eleven, as well as to expand on the online marketplace to get the benefit from the growth of the online channel. Popcoin will be utilized for lifestyle as well. It could be used along through the marketing funnel. The easiest way is when you buy anything, you can get Popcoin. For example, for Kamusi, you can just scan QR code on the cap of Kamusi and earn Popcoin right away. And it can be used for an incentive for those traditional trade channel when each channel can reach the target, their sales target. The new product that we will take the first mover advantage this year is on the hemp. You could see that we had planned to launch hemp-related product on 3 main brands, but the main contribution will be coming from Kamusi, that is functional drink on the mass product. This morning, we just launched the news on the 3 new SKU of hemp-related. The first one is hemp functional drink, and the second and third SKU is the CBD shot, morning shot and night shot. The morning shot is to get concentrate with work. Night shot is to relax before going to bed. On the entertainment side, Channel 8 will expand on the online channel with its application, to upgrade website and also to expand new kind of content for younger generation. Not only Channel 8 will not only be on the digital TV anymore, but to expand a new content through online, for example, like YouTube and other OTT platform with content for younger generation. You can see we call it Gen 8. And the international content that we got benefit from our new subsidiaries. For Apple, we brought a lot of new K-pop content. This kind of K-pop content not only air on the TV, but it could raise revenue from online platform and on event as well. The Channel 8 content drama still be focusing on the good content for drama, for fighting sport, and also news. And another key highlight is Popcorn will be utilizing along with other media. As you know that the conventional media got its weakness in the measurement. So Popcorn will be used to bundle with all other media, TV, Channel 8, or radio tourism, to bundle as a package and sell to B2B and brand. For consumer, when they're watching Channel 8 through its application or website, they also earn Popcorn as well. For tourism, they will expand across any other digital OTT platform to expand the target group to younger generation. This year will be another year that the revenue from event and concert could be rebound, as this category of revenue has been disappeared during the past 2 years. After the COVID has been lifted, we will return all this event revenue. We plan 3 mega-size event concerts for this year: Kamikaze Dance Marathon and D2B Festival in the second half of this year. And Popcorn will help us to extract extra value out of any event concert. For example, Popcorn will extract the value that money cannot buy. For example, you also know that for Kamikaze concert or D2B concert, the ticket ran out just in like 10 minutes after it's open for sale. So this is a key example of how we utilize Popcorn. With a Popcorn, you can buy an early bird ticket. This is how the money cannot buy. And also we can do like VIP ticket just only for Popcorn and any other privilege for Popster. For RS Music, we will focusing on a new content to distribute to the digital and OTT platform. And with for Apple, that is keen in terms of those K-pop content. They will lead a lot of new international content and K-pop content into our entertainment business that will expand our target group For example, this is a food truck battle season 2 that will be launched in Channel 8 and also in the event revenue contribute an event revenue and online revenue as well, and many more for this year. The third strategy, that is asset monetization. The key is on how would we launch a lot of new NFT product by utilizing RS intellectual property such as music series to be NFT product through the Popcoin. And with over 50 million subscriber base under RS Group social media, we could initiate a lot of new content to focus on each target group. There will be two key revenue generators. The first one is per view on each OTT platform. The second revenue is on sponsorship or the tie-in advertisement inside the content. And this will be the year that we could harvest on what we invest in Shade. We bought the stake 35% in Shade in the previous year, and they contribute such a very high performance during year 2021, and we recognize profit sharing from equity around 83 million baht from Shade in the previous year. This year, Shade is going to IPO with plan to submit filing to SEC in April this year and got listed in SET in the fourth quarter this year. The last strategy is on Popcoin's smart marketing platform. As we mentioned, that Popcoin is not just a cryptocurrency. It will be a key tool for marketing to use across all business, commerce, and entertainment for RS Group. Currently, we have over 700,000 Popsters join in Popcoin ecosystem. That could lead to more sponsorship revenue from external partner from a sponsorship this year to use Popcoin as a marketing tool. So we also offering K-pop and world-class event to enhance the value of Popcoin. For example, Bam Bam, one of the top K-pop star that joined us as a platform partner. He will initiate a lot of content and brought in the popularity of Popcoin for this year. And the next part will be on the latest investment on YouLive. This will be presented by our CFO.
Yes, so the latest merger and acquisition deal that we just announced is investment in Unilever Live. So what will we call YouLive? So I think some of you may probably heard about the deal. So the transaction size is about 877 million baht, and we acquired the total assets and total business of the YouLive to RS. So YouLive is actually the direct selling business under Unilever Thailand, and I guess the whole transactions is about we acquiring all three brands of the products under YouLive, Beyond, Aviance, and iFresh, and also we will acquire the intangible assets, which include the sales platform, the website, to the all the system, the ERP system, the commission system, and also the staff and personnel and management team. I think in terms of rationale, I think we can go straight to the key investment highlights just to see what will be the benefit that we are looking we think we can get from these transactions. I think the first one is this transaction actually provide the I guess the shortcut or the direct access to the direct selling business, and also we can get the business that already perform financially. So I think it's actually quite a good deal for us, because I think the direct selling business or the network is something that RS has always been wanted to do. We want to create a bigger platform for a commerce business. We already have the offline and online channels, but I think by having 150,000 members and agents from ULive, I think that's another important platform that we can expand for our commerce products, right? So in terms of ULive itself is there have quite a strong, I guess, key pillars, which is the first one is the products. So they have a premium commerce products under 3 brands. They have a platform which include all the online offline systems, and most importantly they have the people. All the management team has been in the business and with the company for more than 15 years, so they know everything in the direct selling business through and through. And they have a strong relationship with the agents. They rank actually number 1 in the antioxidant drink products in the market, and they have the best, I think, the second best in terms of net margin on the financial performance, which is about 10 to 12%, the second highest in the direct selling industry in Thailand. The second reason for the investment, I think, it's the brand itself. And if we look at the brand, we get about 76 new SKU into our umbrellas under 3 brands, and also I think on top of that, we also get the good relationship with the key suppliers that has been making the products for ULive for like more than 10 years, right? So this should help us in terms of getting the best deal in terms of manufacturing of the products, and also utilize the relationship to build a new product as well. And I already mentioned about the sales representative or sales agents. They have about over 150,000 members and agents. They have the active agents of about the 67,000, which I think for today's situation and online trend, expanding through people or through agents is something that we believe that is actually a good opportunity for direct selling business, because we can utilize the online tools, the social network, and all these agents can become the micro influencers to promote and to sell the products directly to the target group, right? So I guess the online trend also helps to revolutionize the direct selling business to be a more complete business. So I think that's one strength about ULive. And in terms of platform, they have a quite established digital platform. They have online tools, they have website, they have line official account, they have official store at Lazada, they have the social media commerce channels, and I guess most importantly, they have their own web-based applications which can manage many aspects of the business especially for the sales agents. They can do all the transactions within these applications. And I think the next plan that they're looking at is to introduce the global dropship platform or global dropship models to expand the market, into some other countries without having to, I guess, to invest or to try to find the distributor on that particular countries. We can do the global dropship that can send the product straight to the buyer in some other countries. So that's the new model that YouLife is looking at, right? And the last investment highlight will be the strong management team. I think it's worth mentioning about their team. Kun Sushada and her team has been with the company for more than 15 years. I think YouLife is actually one of the first player in the direct selling business, and they've been doing that for over 20 years. I think is their experience and their knowledge is going to be very beneficial to work with ours going forward. And I think lastly, we want to mention about the synergy, which I think YouLife and ours can help each other to create, and to grow the business. I think there's a lot of aspect that we think the synergy can be created. Firstly, I think ours is very strong media player, and by having various media channels can actually help YouRide to create more and to build the brand awareness of YouLife into a broader target group. We want to also target into recruiting younger generations to be our agents, and that will fit well with the online trend. These younger generations would love to have the flexibility in terms of the work, in terms of timing. So I think the direct selling business should fit with the behavior of these younger generations and new trends of online behavior. I think in terms of logistic and product development knowledge, I think both can benefit from each other. We do have a very good relationship with our partners, Carry, and YouLife have their own relationship and network as well. So we can actually combine the relationship and the volume to get the better deal from the carrier or the supplier. I guess the database management is one thing that ours has been doing for many years from now. So I think that can also be applied into the customer base of YouLife as well. I think we can have some sort of knowledge sharing in terms of database management, big data, and also I think by having a new business model, for example, like the Popcoin, which is the digital business which can help YouLife to turn around their business into a more modern direct selling business and gain attraction from younger customers or younger target group. I think that can be something that we can sort of help YouLife to to turn around and change and grow their business with all these weapons and with all these tools that ours have. So I think there's a lot of potential synergy that we can do together. In terms of financial target for YouLife, I think we target for YouLife itself. I think they're targeting the sales of about 11 to 1,200 million baht for the whole year. So I think in terms of target for RS Group, because we're going to be taking over the business from May this year going forward, so it's not going to be full year realizations of the financial performance. So I think we are targeting at about 700 to 800 million baht of revenue for YouLife this year. So that will be on top of the financial forecast that we mentioned of 5.1 billion baht. So so I think overall, I think the second half of this year should be quite exciting for us. We have a lot of developments both on the commerce and the entertainment side. So yeah, so I think that's something that we look forward to. I think that's the end of our presentations. We welcome any questions that you may have.
We still have 15 more minutes for Q&A. So if you have any question, please feel free to send through the chat box or open your microphone to ask the question. Thank you, if there are no any questions, I think the session had come to an end. Thank you very much, investor and RS, for joining the conference. We hope to welcome you all again in the next quarter. Thank you very much and have a good day,
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.